Hi guys, it's Go Study here. So as I am back for with a new video, and today's video is about the document requirement that are needed for you to study in Italy. So before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you need us to do your documentation, your university applications, or you need to ask any question, you can follow us up on the Facebook, Instagram, or through my email. Before now, let's start the video. Before starting, I want to say that I have divided the documents requirement into three sections. The document that you require to prepare starting today, the ones document that you need once the university application starts, and the document you required before visa. Let's start. Now, the documents that are needed that you have to prepare starting today are, first of all, create a passport and attach your all education documents from HEC, IBC, and MOFA respectively. Your university degree and university transcript will be attested by HEC. Your college degree, college transcript, a metric degree, and metric transcript will be attested by IBCC, and after that you have to attach all of them through MOFA. Now bear that in mind, this is for Pakistani student. If you are watching from any other country, you have to do attestation that are in your country's term if needed be. Third thing you are requested for is to do your IELTS, and if you are not interested in IELTS, please issue a English proficiency letter from the institution you last attended. They will issue you a English proficiency letter through which you can apply in the university and most likely get an admission from it. Next document you are required is a 6-month bank statement. Minimum of 6079 euros must be prepared in your bank account at the time of visa. Minimum of 6079 euros bank statement must be amount must be present and the bank account at the time of visa. But you will start preparing for that statement from today. You will also need an FBR tax return of 2 years because Italy does not allow Pakistani students without the tax returns. If you are from Sindh and Balochistan, you will also be required to submit a domicile and a family registration certificate for all over Pakistan. Next, you are the documents that are required once the university admission begins. Now, from this moment on, the document you are required for university admissions and the document you will be preparing throughout this phase will be translation of document if your document are in any other language other than that of English or Italian. The documents must be in English. If you have received your degree, your bachelor's degree, your master's, your or college degree, or your metric degree in English, then you don't have to do any translation. If the university required, then you have to translate it into Italian. Otherwise, you don't have to translate it into another language. Motivation letter will be also be prepared by you at the time of applying to any university to show your motivation in applying this university. CMIA, you have to prepare CMIA because it is one of the most important steps for for visa. For Islamabad, those from Islamabad can also present DOE, but from Karachi, CMIA is most important. Lastly, you must have an admission letter, and through that admission letter, you will apply for pre-enrollment summary at universitaly.com. That summary will also be needed before visa. Now, the main documents that you are finally required to prepare before visa. You must prepare a picture of 35 by 45 size factor, a form that can be found on website of Italian consulate, a data form, sponsor affidavit of support, Now, for sponsor, you need to know that sponsor can only be your blood relative, and bank statement will be also of sponsor. You can sponsor yourself, but you have to show how are you supporting your studies, and you also have to be a filer of FBR tax return for 2 years. Account maintenance certificate. Before going for visa filing, you must need an account maintenance certificate and a 6-month bank statement, as I have stated before. Business and job document. If your sponsor has business, you need a letterhead and a visiting card. If your sponsor is doing a job, then it's letter of joining and salary slips will be sufficient. You must also write a cover letter to the consulate or embassy regarding what are your motivations for applying to Italy. You will also need a travel ticket one way from Karachi or Islamabad to Italy, your destination, and 1 month hotel booking. You will also need a travel insurance of 1 year. These are the documents that you are required to prepare starting today, at the time of university applications, and before visa. Start today, start early, because the earlier you start, the more tension free you will be at the end. Now, thanks for being with us. You can connect with us through the social media platforms. You can comment down below if you need anything. You can contact me on Facebook, Instagram, or you can email me directly. I will answer you as much as possible and as early as possible. Thank you. Hope you have achieved success in your future endeavors.